everybody, and welcome to FX Rhapsody. This video is just a little bit of an add-on to the support and resistance. I'm just showing you another way that I draw key support and resistance in the market. We're going to be working on the monthly time frame. There aren't a lot of candles in here because, as you can see, this is monthly, so this candle that's currently happening will be the October candle for 2020. And I mean, all these candles will stretch all the way down back to 2016. These are just key areas in the market, and I just want to show you something very interesting. So what I do is I will take my horizontal line tool and I will look for a resistance. I work from the top to the bottom. I will only look for a resistance and a support on the monthly. So I will be drawing a line at the top. This, for the monthly support and resistance, I'm going to just change the color to red, just to differentiate between the two. And I will go into its settings and the text, and I will just write here monthly resistance. And you can see it on your right hand side, it appears there. Next we will be looking at a support for the monthly. So the support will be at the bottom, and as we could see, there was quite a nice support area down at the bottom here with candles testing the zone of a year. It went down, it went up to the resistance, and it came down and retested the zone, creating a nice support for us. So this I will change to monthly support. Okay, next I want to take out my Fibonacci tool. Fibonacci, we will, for those of you that don't know the Fibonacci, I will make some videos about it, but I will just take my Fibonacci tool and take it from the bottom to the top. Basically what I want to look at, or what I want to get, is I just want to get, let's call it a weekly resistance in between the monthlies. So I will draw my weekly resistance halfway between the two lines, between the support and resistance. So I'm just going to take my horizontal tool again, and on the 50%, which is halfway between 100 and 0, I will just draw a nice line, and I will change its color. Let's make that one black. Now I will do exactly the same for, let's call it, sorry, I just want to make this the weekly, let's call this the weekly zone, if I can say that, or even better, weekly area. Okay, next what I want to do is I want to now get the halfway mark between the weekly and the resistance. So again, I take my Fibonacci tool out from top to bottom, or bottom to top, doesn't matter, we just want the halfway mark. So on the 50%, change that color to blue, and you can just move this one down and do exactly the same between the weekly and the bottom monthly support. Just want to delete my line there. So there you can see we've got a daily area over there at the top, and we've got a daily area at the bottom. So let's just look at the chart. So we've got our support, resistance and support. Now, by drawing these lines, you can see how price respects those areas that I've drawn in. Let's follow price. So price comes down, it respects that area slightly, make it a little support there. Price went up to the weekly. It's around that area price starts jumping and supporting that area, which is very interesting. So this is exactly the reason I'm drawing it. These are psychological areas in the market. As you can see, the daily area, I didn't look for them beforehand. This is what I do every single time, and you can just go through the pairs and draw them and see how price respects these areas. So if you have a monthly support and resistance, you take half of that, or you draw a line halfway. As you can see how that halfway mark gets respected by price. Look there, look at this last bit here. I mean, it's just ridiculous. And these are the areas, when price reaches those areas, these are the areas that you're going to look for either a buy or sell, and look at what price is doing around those areas. You can drill down now to even your 4-hour mark. So let's just see what happens here for interest sake. There we go. See how price jumps around that line, making support and resistance, and then all of a sudden breaks, comes and retests that area, and then price jumps in at this retest. So you can see this was almost like a resistance area. Price broke through, came back, almost retested, came back and retested it, and this is exactly where you place your buy order, or looking for a buy once price breaks those areas of interest. And look how price shot up. Over here, price eventually shot up to that weekly area, bounced back or pulled back, shot up again, and bounced around that area. So you can see how price respects those weekly and daily, which I call areas. And yeah, it is, for me, those are key areas. I like to mark them and keep them on the chart while I trade. And as soon I will, in between these, I will still draw support and resistance areas on different time frames, but I will have these weekly and daily and monthly areas. I will still have on my chart, so I can see when price comes close to those areas, then I know I need to react and look for opportunities to go into the market. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Hope it helps you a little bit in your trading. So I would like you guys to comment in the comment section, and yes, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Till later, guys. Happy trading.